What's good, y'all? Coach Gaines here, and today I'm going to show you the exact meal structure I've been using to drop body fat and build muscle. It's called the Gaines Bowl method, and it's a simple system that takes the guesswork out of nutrition. If you're someone who constantly struggles with knowing what to eat, this specific bowl right here will simplify your entire diet, and it's called the OG Gaines Bowl. Yo, as a coach, one of the biggest problems I see is people overcomplicating nutrition. Whether it's what should I eat, when should I eat it, what should my macros be, how many calories should I eat, just overthinking the entire thing. But in reality, they don't need a complicated diet. They just need a simple structure that they can stick to and build consistency in. And that right there is exactly why I created the Gaines Bowl method. Every Gaines Bowl follows the same simple structure. Protein, all right? In this case, we're going with boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Now, don't hit me with that breast versus thigh debate about breasts being lower in calories and higher in protein. Listen, if you like breast better, eat breast. If you like thighs better, eat thighs, okay? Personally, I like to switch between the two sometimes, but these boneless, skinless chicken thighs are gonna hold more flavor. They do have a little bit more fat, a little bit more calories, but trust me, I'd rather you consistently be able to eat than suffer through eating a dry ass breast. Next, we have a smart carbohydrate, and we're gonna go with sweet potatoes in this one. I'm gonna mash these instead of the usual roasting in the oven or even the air fryer. We're gonna switch it up a little bit. The next part of the Gaines Bowl is fiber. We can't forget about that, all right? And it's usually gonna come in the form of vegetables. Here, I'm going with broccoli's fancy cousin, broccolini. And last but not least, we have to have our healthy fats, and today we're going with avocados. When you combine all these ingredients in one bowl, you got your protein, your good carbohydrates, your healthy fats, your fiber. You're gonna get something that's gonna help support muscle growth. It's gonna support fat loss. You're gonna feel better from the inside and look better on the outside. You're gonna have more energy. You're gonna feel fuller longer. There's so many benefits to getting all these things in consistently. And that's why we keep it simple to build consistency. All right, so let's get it. First things first, I'm gonna start by preheating the oven. For the broccolini, I'm gonna go 425, okay? And start preheating that, okay? Next, I'm gonna prep my chicken, all right? I'm washing my chicken. I don't care if you don't wash yours, I'm washing mine. All right, so this is how I like to do it when I'm cooking a lot at the same time. I'll lay the foil out and then just lay the chicken out as well. This way I can season it and have different flavors, okay? I'll show you the seasonings in a second. I'm switching it up to something I actually haven't tried before. I got these seasonings from Whole Foods. I typically like to get them from a different grocery store because they have better options, but we'll just go with two different flavors here. Now, because these do have a little higher fat content, they're gonna produce their own oil as they're cooking, so you really don't have to spray these like I would do if they were chicken breast. All right, so today I'm using Kinders. We have a salt, pepper, garlic blend here, and then I have an Italian chicken blend is with garlic and sweet peppers. I'm gonna keep it nice and simple. And when it comes to meal prep, especially cooking in bulk, like you really just wanna simplify your process as much as possible. Don't overthink it. This would look a lot different if I was cooking like a specific dinner or like cooking for someone, but it's meal prep, all right? Let's keep it simple, keep it easy, get it rocking, okay? That is the salt and pepper one, okay? Then we're gonna go with the Italian on the other side. It says it has a sweet pepper in there as well. I wouldn't be me if I ain't put a little Tony on there, so I don't wanna hear it. Okay, and I'm gonna put it on the sweet pepper side just to give it a little Cajun kick. Just a little you know what I'm saying? Give it a little love. If you know, you know. That Creole is kind of good for everything. I'm gonna leave that salt and pepper garlic by itself though. Smooth, look how fast that was. Come on, y'all. Now, because this is gonna have to go in batches, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna just let that chill for a second, and I'm gonna slice up these sweet potatoes so I can get them boiling in the water, okay? The oven is already preheating, and then I'm gonna wash and prepare the broccolini as well. Real simple, throw them on a baking sheet, throw that in the oven. We quick and efficient around here, okay? Yo, I really like these little pots with the handles. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to, is it carrot? Carote? Shout out to y'all. Somebody tell me how to pronounce it. It's funny how when the camera comes on sometimes you just kind of naturally go into like professional mode or something like, this is my channel. I should probably be doing these towards y'all, huh? But I'm just cutting these, slicing these into equal pieces. I would say about ½ an inch apart. This way so they will cook evenly in the water, boil evenly. Nice and simple. It's fine. The water isn't boiling yet, but it'll happen all together. It's a little bit much water. Cool. The fire ain't even on, see? No wonder it ain't boiling. Okay, now that we're good now, okay? We're good. I need a little more of this salt and pepper joint. I mean, I just keep telling myself it's because I'm only doing one side, you know what I'm saying? Typically, I would flip it and massage it. Okay, sweet potatoes are going. Air fryer is going. We're about to be on 390 for, I'm going 13 minutes, okay? I typically do like 12. The beautiful thing about thighs is they will not dry out, so you'll be okay here. Don't overthink it, all right? Bring your little basket to you. I'm definitely trying to keep the big pieces cooking together. But yeah, I like how thighs will give you that little crust too, you know what I mean? Should be hitting. Delicioso. Bet. First batch in. Cool. 13 minutes. Okay. Wash this out real quick. My oven is now preheated, so let's go ahead and get these ready. Again, I'm washing everything. Me no care. Wash it. Okay. I said something about the perfect broccolini from a chef, and it was like, just put it on 425. Sprinkle it with some oil and I think lemon pepper, which I really love lemon pepper on my vegetables. Like anything super green, that lemon pepper gonna hit every time. I should finish right on time. It's currently 6:40 and I am fasted, okay? So I'm starving, but I haven't had any food or water today. Sunsets in like 20 minutes, okay? We should be good, right on time. Cash money. Whoo, I'm hungry. With the different flavors of chicken, this is how you don't get bored or you don't get tired of eating the exact same thing. For those of you who are just putting salt and pepper or whatever else, I don't even want to get into that, on your chicken, switch it up, okay? And things like this make it super easy. Those different seasoning blends is gonna help you just add variety, okay? You can also do this with sauces. So if you don't like to go the seasoning route, you can, use a teriyaki sauce, use a barbecue sauce, use a hot sauce, switch it up on the sauces. But anybody is gonna burn out doing the exact same thing all the time. It doesn't have to be like that, but you're still gonna get all of the nutrients, all of the protein and things that you need, so you can continue to make progress. That's all it's about. Keep it as simple as possible. Be on the lookout for them gang smoothies too. You know what I'm saying? I think that looks great. I'm just saying, what do I know? I'm gonna take this handy dandy joint right here. You know what I'm saying? You could pour or you could spray. We got avocado oil in there. Let me go a little bit more over the sink. It's going Let's stick with the Kinders, okay? We're going with the salt, pepper, and garlic blend, all right? That chicken is over there snap, crackling, and popping, so I know it's going down. And we're just gonna give it a little la 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 la, right there, right on top. Salt, pepper, garlic. I like that. Why have I never tried this? Boy, I'll be seasoning like my tricep ain't strong. There may be something to that, you know what I mean? Like the wiggle of the fat down here might make you control a little better, you know? It's like it offset. Let me stop. Timing wise, I'm gonna wait a little bit on the broccolini, okay? Once these start to get soft, because I can make a bowl and still have batches of chicken going in. So I'm okay there, all right? I'm not worried. That's every 13 minutes. I probably should have got those in a little bit sooner, but we're good. Everything is cooking, we're moving. I'll just have to cut an avocado, which is solid. I don't got too many dishes to clean up. This is gonna just wrap up real quick, throw in the trash, you know what I'm saying? And we're good. My stomach is currently touching my back. But hey, you see your boy though, you know what I'm saying? Stomach on flat. I am hungry. Woo! Welcome to the bad side. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Gonna be a mean ride. You know what? This gonna take a little bit, so I'm gonna slide some of this chicken in the fridge. Potatoes, just grab a little fork. You'll give them a little poke. It's almost there because see, I'm trying to pick it up and it just slide right out. So that means they are soft, but we do need a little bit more. Whoo! Yes, sir. Ooh, look at that. Look at the crust and the seasoning just crusting on top like that. Fire. Simple, clean, bomb. Okay, next batch going in. You feel me? You figure deal me, man? Let's do it. Bam. Easy cleanup. And we got some delicious, nutritious, protein-filled, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, ready to be diced up and tossed in the games bowl, you feel me? 425, light drizzle of avocado oil, salt, pepper, garlic on top. We're gonna slide that in there for 13 minutes. You know what a beautiful thing is though, is when you go to eat and everything is clean already, you just look over back at the kitchen and you're just like, I don't gotta do dishes after. You know what I'm saying? So that's why you gotta cook, you gotta clean as you go. I'd say, look at that, just fall right off. Fall right off. You know what I'm saying? I don't do it to all of them, but I will just pull some skin off of some. It typically will just fall right off. Toss that in the trash. Whoo! It is hot now, don't play. All right, so I peeled some of the skin off and I'm literally just going in and mashing it. Like, just like this. Told you. Can y'all see? Still steaming, you feel me? Okay. Another batch of chicken is in there, but we don't even need that because that's gonna be for prep anyway. I'm gonna prep those. Let's go ahead and build this bowl. Yo, if you're that person that's getting on the scale every day, you feel like you're doing everything right, you're working out, you're making healthier choices, and that scale is not moving, okay? You're stepping on the wrong scale, okay? Maybe you're not in the calorie deficit that you think you are. I ain't playing around today. Looking like the hamburger helper, man. Broccolini coming out sizzling. Come on, announce yourself. That's what I'm talking about. Shoot, way to make an entrance, Broccolini. Okay, ooh, look, so the different seasoning brought a different color. You feel me? This one ready to go. Different seasoning, different color. Uh-huh. Come on, talk to me nice. Yeah. I like that. Macros on my bowl will be a little bit different, but every Gains bowl in the plan is around 500 calories. Along with Gains smoothies, they're both 500 calories. So 2 bowls, 2 smoothies, that's gonna put you around 2,000 calories. I know it sounds crazy, it sounds like a lot. Listen, lift heavy, eat more, you're gonna build muscle. This is how you get recomposition. All right, we're gonna burn body fat and we're gonna build muscle and you're gonna fuel your body. We're gonna create a fat burning machine. So then when you do need to cut the calories, if needed, you'll have something to pull from. You can't just go right into a deficit, especially if you wanna hold on to your shape and size. So this is how we're gonna do it. Follow this plan for 30 days. You'll set yourself up to be in a great position if you even need to cut like you think you need to go right into summer, all right? Trust me. All right, let's build my Gains bowl. 9, let's see if I can do this right. 6 on the money, let's go. All right, 6 ounces. I'm gonna zero out the scale. It's back at 0, okay? Let's put our next item on. For my fellas that are a little bigger, a little more active, a little bit more muscle mass, let's go 6 to 8 ounces, all right? I'm gonna meet you right in the middle, and I'm gonna go 7 ounces, all right? I'm just grabbing with my hands. Ain't nobody else eating this. And plus, That's 3.5 ounces right there, okay? Let's add some more, bam. 5.6, come on, baby. 6.8. Throw this little daddy on right there. 7.2. Broccolini, we're not worried about that, okay? We're just gonna lay it right around like this right here. I'm gonna go for, let's go 5 pieces. Another trick, if you don't want a lot of containers in your fridge, then just keep the items in bulk all together and then build your bowls individually as you eat them. If you always eat at home or you have the time, you may want to do that. Or if you're more on the go or just would rather knock it out and you don't care about your fridge being full of containers, then do that. You see it, yeah, come on, stop playing. So I'm going with 1/4 of an avocado, 6 ounces of sweet potatoes, 7.2 ounces of chicken thighs. I didn't measure, but we're probably at about 3 ounces because I did add one more broccolini. So about 3 ounces of broccolini. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the OG Gaines bowl. All right, y'all gotta go. It's time for me to eat. Let's put some finishing touches, okay? Two things I like. This seasoning blend right here is fire on avocados. I'm gonna just get out a little Try not to touch nothing else. Ooh, this will probably hit on the broccolini too, okay? Bam. And then I'm gonna give a little dash of cinnamon on the sweet potatoes. Don't play, come on, activate that tricep. This is where most people struggle, okay? You don't lack discipline, you just lack structure. When you remove the choice of trying to figure out what to eat, how much and all that, all right? You break it down to a simple system that you can repeat. We have our protein, our carbs, our healthy fats, and our fiber. Within the Gaines Bowl method, I've included the amounts. I've included 10 different recipes, 10 different smoothie recipes to go along with it, because you might not be able to eat 4 bowls, but 2 smoothies and 2 bowls sounds a lot more realistic if you're already struggling to eat, or if you just don't have the time in your day, okay? That's why I thought about it for you, to keep it simple, to help you build consistency, to have a system you can always fall back on. And once you understand what's in the bowl, you can put whatever you want in there. Just meet the criteria: protein, carbs, fats, fiber. Fuel your body. Let's burn fat, let's build muscle, and let's get these gains. If y'all want the full 30-day Gaines Bowl method, make sure you check it out in the description below. Make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe. Let me know what you liked from the video. Let me know what you want to see more of. Y'all be blessed, y'all stay safe, and keep chasing them gains. I'm out.